We gather here to celebrate the launch of 5G technology, a leap forward in connectivity that strengthens our vision of Ghana as a digital economy hub, accelerating growth, enhancing services, and transforming lives across all sectors. 5G technology will have a transformative impact on our national landscape. Its high speed, minimal latency, and enhanced capacity will drive our agenda forward, embedding the Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, and data analytics into daily life across Ghana. "5G will be a catalyst for industrial growth, empowering domestic businesses, particularly micro, small, and medium-sized enterprises, MSMEs, which are the backbone of our economy. With faster, more reliable internet